Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you've had a really good Christmas break so far, and you had a nice relaxing time with family and friends, ate lots of good food, and hopefully enjoyed a few good beers as well. I'm sure you all did, which brings me on to the reason for this video. So couple of videos back you may have seen that I got to try a Black Doris plum sour from a good mate of mine, Carl. Well, he's followed that up with a apricot sour, which he kindly gave to me a couple of weeks ago. So it's been sitting in the fridge, and I thought now was a nice time to crack it open. The sun's gone down, so it's cooled down a bit outside. So yeah, let's do that. So thank you very much for this, Carl. Also, before I crack it open, I've got this cool bottle opener from my son Corey. It says professional beer taster, so it's official now. I'm a professional. I'm not sure what a professional but I get to use this cool beer bottle opener. So thank you very much, Corey, if you're watching. Nice little hiss there. So we'll pour it up first, and then I'll just tell you a little bit about the beer, or as much as I know anyway. Hopefully get it all into this glass here. I think we will. There we go, look at that. So before we dive in, so yeah, it's an apricot sour, 4.8%, bottled on the 5th of November. So what are we getting up for? About sort of 8 weeks, 7-8 weeks. Beautiful, beautiful colour, nice pillowy head, doesn't look like it's going away. Really good amount of carbonation there. Apologies about the camera deciding to go in and out of the brightness. Yeah, good carbonation, looks fantastic, good clarity as well. There's quite a bit of condensation on the glass, but it's fairly clear. So looking forward to trying this. So it's pretty much exactly the same grain bill as the Black Doris plum sour. So it's pale malt, flaked wheat, normal wheat malt, Philly sour yeast is what Carl used for it, and then 2 kilos of apricots into the fermenter, I believe. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this. My mouth's watering already. Oh, you can smell. You're getting that nice sort of sourness on the top, and then I'm getting a delicate hit of the apricot on the nose. Not quite as strong as the Black Doris, although that's quite a, I'd say that's probably more of a punchy fruit than an apricot. So I'm expecting this to be more of like a delicate sort of apricot sour. So cheers guys, I'm not going to wait any longer, we'll dive in. Thank you again, Carl. Oh, that's good. Nice and refreshing. We've had some stinking hot days here. High humidity as well. So the sort of beer you want after work is something nice. It's quenching, refreshing, and this is definitely hitting the spot. Yeah, nice sourness on the taste, flavour, and then you're getting like delicate apricot. Sort of get it more at the back end. Now I've swallowed the beer and the sourness has sort of died away. I'm getting the apricot coming through more. But that is really, really good. Carbonation is fantastic. As you can see, it's streaming up. Get those sort of bubbles dancing on your tongue along with the sourness. And then, like I said, that apricot sort of comes in after you swallow the beer and more at the back end. So yeah, nice delicate balance between the sourness and the apricots. Yeah, that's a really good job, Carl, and I think Carl's going to stick with the grain bill, the yeast, etc., and just sort of experiment swapping out the fruit. imagine this will work, you know, with blackcurrant, raspberry, and you know, numerous different fruits. So that's me done, guys. Thank you for watching. Took a bit of a break from the videos over the Christmas break, so I have to work either side of Christmas, in between Christmas and New Year, so haven't had a lot of time to be doing videos, but I'll try and get back into doing a few more. Also, I keep my my Idaho 7 Brut IPA, so that just letting that carb up now. So we're just coming to the weekend, so I might even do a video later on the weekend on that, so looking forward to trying that. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your break, holiday break, if you're still on one, and if you're coming up towards the weekend, enjoy the weekend. Drink great beers like this one from Carl. If you've got any questions, just sing out. If I can't answer them, I'll ask Carl for a bit more detail, and I'm sure he'll let me know the answers to any questions. So cheers guys, over and out, and catch you later.